Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. With the introduction of new printing technology, local printers are being told they don't need to go overseas to complete complex projects. General Manager at Productive Business Solution, Michael Lewis, says the new technology positions local publishers and printers among the best in the world. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Local printers spend billions each year ensuring the best product for their clients. Those efforts sometimes result in printers outsourcing to overseas players simply because they don't have the technology to complete the print job. But all that is about to change.
The new technology will allow them to save costs, make more money, be more productive, and actually increase their offerings to their customers by differentiating themselves. The technology is really cutting edge, and it allows them to do things that they couldn't do before.
And what exactly can the printers look forward to?
We introduced the Xerox Iridescent production press, which will allow them to include colors like gold and silver in one pass, which they couldn't do before. It's brand new. This is the only device in the world that can do this at this time from a digital perspective.
And since local printers won't have to fork out additional cash to get their work completed abroad, General Manager at Productive Business Solution Michael Lewis has already started to count the savings.
Some of the printers who would be sourcing creative material or certain prints or outputs overseas can now consider doing them themselves. This has obvious savings for the country in terms of foreign exchange and also the ability to provide different options to their customers. But ultimately, the local industry will grow and will gain from it and their customers in general.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Pump prices are to fall this week. Well, not by much. Petrojam today announced the price of a litre of gasoline will go down by 3 cents per litre. The price of a litre of regular diesel is down 73 cents, while low sulfur variety declines by 55 cents. Kerosene will cost 99 cents less. Propane declines by 56 cents, while butane falls by 74 cents. In the meantime, oil prices climbed today to settle at their highest in 4 months. Oil for delivery in April rose 80 cents or 1.4% to end at $59.83 on the New York Mercantile Exchange. In currency trading today, the US dollar selling for $124.90. The Canadian dollar is going for $94.36. The pound closed at $166.31, while the euro is being sold for $143.78. And the JC index lost 1,007 points today, while the junior market index is down by 4 points. Among the winners today were Everything Fresh, Pulse Investments, Paramount Trading, Portland JSX, and the Blue Power Group. On the losing side were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Consolidated Bakeries, Jamaican Teas, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Caribbean Cream. And that's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.